Hello everyone, in this video let's learn how to solve this tricky intro from the 2025 semi-final MIT Integration Bee. Alright, the integral from 0 to infinity of q root of s over 1 plus s squared times ds. Now, look at the denominator. The denominator 1 plus s squared suggests a strict substitution, but the numerator q root of s is a bit tricky. So let's try a substitution that balances the power. Alright, so I'm gonna let u equals s power 1/2. Alright, so if I square both sides, it's gonna be u squared equals s, right? So then I have 2u du equals ds, right? Now I need to change the lower limit and upper limit, right? So I have s equals 0, s approaches infinity. Then u must be 0 and u approaches infinity, right? We have the new integral. It's going to be integral from 0 to infinity of s power 1/3 over 1 plus s squared ds is the same thing as the integral from 0 to infinity. In order to get s power 1/3, I'm gonna raise power up 2/3 whole side, right? So then I have u power 2/3 equals s to the 1/3, right? So I have u to the 2/3 over 1 plus u power 4, right? This one turns out to be 2u du, right? Now I need to simplify this one, so it turns out to be the integral from 0 to infinity. U power 2/3 times u is going to be u power up 5/3 over 1 plus u power 4 du, and I'm going to put 2 in the front, right? Now I'm going to use the u substitution one more time. So I'm going to let t be u to the 4. So then u must be t to the 1/4, right? And then I'm going to take the derivative both sides, so I have du equals 1 over 4 t. 1 over 4 minus 1 is going to be negative 3/4, right? Now I need to calculate u to the 5/3, so I need to raise this one to the 5/3 both sides, right? So I have u to the 5/3 equals t raised to the 5/12, right? Now I need to change the lower limit and upper limit, so it's going to be the same thing right here, right? So I have the integral from 0 to infinity of 2 times u to the 5/3. It's going to be t to the 5/12, right? Over, this one turns out to be 1 plus t times du becomes this one, right? So 1 4 t to the negative 3/4, right? dt, right? I forgot dt right here. Alright, so to simplify this one, it's going to be 1/2. The integral from 0 to infinity, right? 2 and 4 is going to be 1/2, right? Now I need to combine this guy, so it turns out to be t to the negative 1/3 over 1 plus t dt. The reason why I did this way, because I'm trying to convert this one into the beta function, right? So this guy actually related to beta function, right? Now recall, the beta function has the form over the interval 0 to infinity. It's going to be b of s y equals the integral from 0 to infinity t to the s minus 1 over 1 plus t, altogether raised to the s plus y dt. It's gonna be gamma of s gamma of y over gamma of s plus y, right? Now, our integral is gonna be right here, right? So, I need to match them up, right? I have a system of equation, negative 1/3 right here equals s minus 1, right? So I have s minus 1 equals negative 1/3. And this guy right here can be written as 1 plus t power of 1, right? So I have 1 equals s plus y, right? So s plus y equals 1. So I need to solve a system of equation right here. Alright, so very easy, right? S equals 2/3 and y equals 1/3, right? Now this guy becomes gamma of 1/3, right? Gamma of 2/3 over gamma of 1, right? Because s plus y equals 1, right? Now you have the formula, the beta function of a comma 1 minus a is gonna be gamma of a gamma of 1 minus a over gamma of a plus 1 minus a. It's gonna be gamma of a gamma of 1 minus a. It's gonna be pi over psi of pi times a. Alright, so this one is the formula of the gamma function, right? So from this one I have 1/2 of. Now remember that a in this situation is gonna be 2/3, right? A, which means the s value right here. 1 minus a, which means 1/3. So you have 1/2 times pi over psi of 2 over 3 times pi, right? Now to simplify this one, it's going to be 1/2 times pi. Psi 2 pi over 3 is going to be root 3 over 2, right? Now to simplify this one, I just multiply the top and bottom by 2. So this guy turns out to be 1/2 times 2 pi over root 3. Then I just simplify this guy and this guy, so the final answer must be pi over root 3. And it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.